Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to make text transparent in CapCut. Do note that I am on the CapCut PC version and you can do the same in CapCut web version and in the mobile as well. So let's begin. Now I have already imported an image and now I'm simply gonna drag it to the timeline. You do not need to do this, I'm simply doing this to show you how to make the text transparent more clearly. Now on the navbar you will find something like text right here next to audio. Click on it. There are lots of features available here like adding a default text, lots of presets, lots of effects as well. But for now I'm simply gonna add this default text. Click and drag. Now this is my text. Well, let's click on this text right now and the menu bar will pop up on the top right corner. There are lots of things like text, animation, others, and in the text tab, let's focus on the basic sub-tab. I'm simply gonna change this color using this feature that is color. I'm gonna make it black. If you scroll down further, you will find something like this, opacity. Right now it's 100. Let's drag it down. And similarly, you can see the opacity of the text being less and less. That is, the text is being more transparent. Let's change the opacity to 0. The text is gone. Increase it, the text slowly reappears. Well guys, that's it for the video. That is how you make a text transparent on CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.